Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you send large files or large audio files on your WhatsApp in your iPhone. The process is very similar to iPhone and Android. I will show you how to do this on your iPhone. So for this, we just need to go on our large file here. Like this is a video file here on my mobile. I will click on the left bottom of the screen called up share option here, and then I will save it into my files like this. Let me just select the correct file here. If I will select this file, I can just save it into my file option here, and after that I will go on my WhatsApp here, select a contact, click on the plus option on the down left bottom of screen, click on the document option. In document you will find all the updated files or the uploaded files to your file manager here. You can just open a file by clicking on open and send that file to any contact you want. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.